let's
Hello,
come
Sahana.
to the philosophical perspectives on the pandemic. Today we have with us Anmol, and so let's get right into it. Anmol, what is your domain of research?
Broadly, my research area is ethics, normative ethics, where specifically I'm talking about the values and, Mahabharata values, the values which are there and how the characters are upholding certain values and some are violating the same values. So it is basically, ethical domain, I would say, normative ethics.
And could you say a little bit more about your research for our audience? What work specifically you might be doing?
Yeah, specifically, my title, I would say, it is Conflict of Values in the Mahabharata, a philosophical analysis where I'm dealing with the instances in the Mahabharata where characters faced certain situations where they had to make a choice, and the choice was between, at the same time, between two values. Like two values, truth and benevolence, both are coming at the same time, and the character has to choose one out of the two. So that's how the dilemma or the conflict arises. So this is my work is about, where values are at stake, and how further I would say that it is a kind of contextual and decontextual studies. Contextual is the Mahabharata, and the decontextual is I'm looking for the justification that the characters provide for their actions in the as per the Dharma Shastra, whether they are justified or not. Like, because at that time the uh, book of values was Dharam Shastra. So whatever actions they are doing, even if they are doing something wrong and they have a justification to support their wrong action, how do they do it, and whether that justification is acceptable in the Dharam Shastra or not. So this is broadly the framework of my thesis.
That's wonderful. Okay, coming to the third question. Has philosophy helped you during the pandemic? And if yes, then in what way?
Yes, it has. Not, I will not say this because I'm myself a philosophy student, but I think everyone would have faced this. And at times, I feel we are going through certain things, but we do not know what it is. We are not able to acknowledge that. And being a philosophy student myself, I could acknowledge it because this was the time when we had time for ourselves. So the that know thyself and the perennial quest of I, that was there in everyone during this time. Like, people started doing certain things they never did, and some got time to do things which they were not able to do for a long time. And I feel, and it also taught us the futility of having a certain kind of lifestyle, uh, which we would not have realized if this pandemic would not have occurred. And philosophy, it gives you the patience to endure uh, a situation, and not just the patience but also the reason why you should endure it. So that's how I feel, yes, philosophy did help every one of us.
Hi. So the last question: can you relate your research to the pandemic? Would you, if yes, then what kind of perspective would your research put on the pandemic?
Yes, like other day when I was having my advisory, also one of my advisor, Dr. Gitesh Nivan, she said that she has picked up the right topic at the right time, because what we are facing today is again the dilemmas and the conflict of our values. Like, we had certain values and we wanted to help certain people, which we would have done if the COVID would not have been there. But COVID has affected us so much that we are not willing to help anyone out of the fear that we might get it. And it's not just this it's not applicable only to the outsider, but within the family also. I have faced, like, I'll share an instance in my family only. My close relatives, only close family that I have, their people, my cousins, my first cousins were tested positive, and how the family was entirely, broken. Two people went to the quarantine center. Some are living on the one floor. One person is living alone in one floor. One person is, in hospital. And when my uncle was to be taken to the hospital, my father accompanied, and we were worried. We were calling him again and again that you should come back home, it's not safe to be in hospital for whole day. But he had his duty, he had his two duties, one towards us, his family, and one towards his sister's family, children. And he said, I cannot leave them alone there. So these are the kind of dilemmas. What are these are the dilemmas, the conflict of value that my father faced at that time, that yes, I had to be there. So yes, I feel it is directly, I can relate my.
Okay. That sounds really great, Anmol. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for taking out the time to
Thank
do
you,
this with
Sahan.
us. And okay,
Thank you,
so
Sahan.
that's it. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much, Anmol.
Jayashree. Thank you.